There are many ways to earn a living in the United States, and they can vary greatly from full-time employment to freelancing and entrepreneurship. Some of the common ways of earning money in the U.S. include full-time employment, working for a company or employer on a salaried basis, with pay received weekly, monthly, or yearly. Freelancing, working as a self-employed individual on a project basis for various clients. Freelancers can engage in various types of work including writing, design, web development, video production, and more. Entrepreneurship, owning and operating a business or startup that can involve selling goods, providing services, developing products, and more. Investments, investing money in stocks, real estate, currency, bonds, and more to earn income from price appreciation, dividends, interest, and more. Remote work, working from home for a company or employer without the need to physically visit an office on a daily basis. Of course, this is not an exhaustive list of ways to earn a living in the U.S., and many people combine several methods to generate income. Each way of earning has its own advantages and disadvantages, and the choice depends on your individual goals, skills, and situation.